Okay, hello, I'm Nick and I'm hacking Emacs. Today I'm going to show you a little bit more of this Treesitter stuff I've been doing. I've made very small progress and hopefully I'm making it a bit easier to try and use. So I'm going to open a term. I keep turning caps lock on, it's awful. I'll need to turn the caps lock key off on this thing. Let's make the term bigger. Let's start my very simple config. Now let's open my Treesitter. Look, I did it again. It's amazing. I guess when I'm reaching for tab. So now let's evaluate it. Obviously you'd just be able to load this file, wouldn't you? Let's open a C file. This is part of a web server with a chat app I've been making. Okay, let's find the app chat HTTP WebSocket message function. Oh, first of all, we've got to load our Treesitter extension mode. Okay, so the Treesitter stuff does three things for C files. The first thing, or the new thing that it does, is it finds declarations. So here's an identifier, and you can see at the bottom in the echo area that is down here and there, or maybe I think my camera config like that, maybe down there. I don't know. So it's showing you that it's defined on line 139. We can go visit that line. We press Control-C-G and it goes to that line. If we want to go back to where we were, you can do Control-U, Control-Space. That's the normal binding for popping back a marked position. And then it does two more things, I guess. Let's find channel. So here's find channel. This is a function call where the function is defined inside this buffer. And you can see that now in the echo area it's showing you the doc string for find channel, its definition, what it returns. So obviously it does this for any function, shows that for add channel. What it doesn't do is show you this for built-ins, so it won't do malloc or anything like that. It'll only work on stuff that's defined inside the buffer. The last thing it does is allow you to get shortcut keys to definitions. So if I look here, you can see there's a lexically defined variable on 609. Let's turn HL mode on. That's not actually very highlighty, is it? But hey, so there it is. So if we're on this line, it will show us that the result is 609, and we can press Control-C1 and it will insert that identifier. It won't, the reason result is first, even though there's all these identifiers here, is because they're all in a lexical scope that is hidden from us. We can't refer to those, so it understands how to do that. If we can move in here, we should be able to see that our result is being result is the only thing that's being computed in there. So hey, if we made a new function, let's say string, then we would get string first. So that's what it does. The shortcut keys are just so that you can insert the identifier. Obviously you can see it's Control-C and then a number, and you get 9 of them, and they are the most lexically near to you in reverse order. So you can see the result at 609 is first, and then target, and then channel, that's at 600 near the top of the screen, etc. So that's it. That's all it does right now. But I find those are mostly the things I want. So I don't need much more than that, or at least those are the things so far that have made me ever so slightly quicker. I don't think it's that slow to just type things out, but hey, So I find this a bit faster than trying to configure an LSP and manage an LSP, which has got to require my build to tightly integrate with it and possibly repeat the build all the time. Now I have put this on Tangled SH. Is that here? No, that's not that one. Where on earth is it? Maybe it's this one? No, that's the same one. Oh, goodness sake, let's just go and have a look. So I think this is tangled.sh and it just redirects to tangled.org. If you go and look at my repositories, you'll see this Emacs Treesitter stuff. There's a lot of readme here. You can take a look at that if you want to try and get it going. I guess you can give me feedback on YouTube, or you probably know me on a bunch of other places. Maybe. I think I'm quite easy to find on the internet. Anyway, there you go. That's enough of that. Thanks very much for watching.